This is me. This is me 100%. It's basically a birthright for me. It's a 2002 Ford GT. The block in this engine was actually cast here in Windsor. Well, my name is Brody Lawton. I'm an industrial mechanic millwright. In 120 years, my family's been a part of Ford Motor Company, and Ford Motor Company's been a part of my family. My great-great-grandfather started at Ford when they first decided to do business in Canada. My parents met at Ford on the line in piston and rod assembly. I'm doing a very similar job that my great-grandfather did, just with a lot more safety precautions in place.
See, all the pins are in there, the links are in there. My name is John McClosey. I'm a health and safety trainer over at Essex Engine Plant. The vibe's pretty good. I've seen a lot of new people that I've only seen in orientation, which is awesome because that means there's a future here in Windsor.
The CEO, Jim Farley, visited the plant today.
Hey guys,
Shows you right now.
I'm Jim.
How you doing? John McClosey. Nice to meet you.
How you doing, Jim? I'm Brody Lawton. Nice to meet
Brody.
you.
How you guys doing?
Doing good. How about yourself?
Learning.
Learning?
Learning about our opportunities here, especially the new Godzilla lawn. How long have you worked here?
Almost 30 years.
You're fifth generation.
Yes, sir. My family's been here since they broke ground in Canada.
So what do you drive?
I've got a 2010 Ford Fusion, and then I've got a 2002 Mustang.
Oh, that's beautiful. You know that it's a fast car, but it still stays true to the original idea.
That means a lot coming from me.
That's nice.
Both my great-grandparents started at the foundry,
Okay.
and then my grandpa Dave worked at Plant 2. It's nice to see higher management come around and, you know, it's grassroots a little bit. He's seeing what we're doing, he's seeing what he likes, what he doesn't like, he's communicating his wants and needs to us. And, you know, above all else, I kind of think that it shows that he cares a little bit, that he is visiting these plants.
We've always put out for over 100 years an amazing product.
We're pushed to be better every day. Working in the plant is basically playing a team sport. You got to collaborate every day. You have to have that communication with your supervisors. You have to have that communication and that collaboration with your fellow workers. It's more of a Mustang lifestyle around here than it is a hobby or a job. Me and my brother, I mean, we've been in the garage since we could walk, really. My dad was always racing. When we would go to the drag strip, and I'd be sitting in the passenger seat of my dad's big block nitrous Fox body, lived it and breathed it when I was a kid. I had a buddy of mine ask me, would you work at Ford for free? I go to work, and I work on engines, and I get paid to do it. And then I come home, and I work on engines, and I pay to do it. So would I do it for free? I do it for free every day.